Hi guys, welcome back to TekShinji. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the MSI Ventus 3 and the MSI Suprim X, a much bigger and heavier GPU box than this one. Let's find out what makes them different and see what's on the inside. Alright guys, we're going to unbox the MSI Ventus 3 first here. Let's take a look at this card. So we're still covered in the plastics. I'm just going to make a small cut right there. Okay, so here we are greeted with the box. This is what it looks like. Got some text right here. Here's the back of the box and all that good stuff. It appears that this does not come with a tamper seal, like on some of the EVGA GPUs. Kind of like how this 3060, they have this EVGA tamper seal right there. Looks like it does not come with anything like that. Let's open up this box. So let's take a look here. Oh, all right, it just slides right on out. Take that. Got the MSI little envelope here. Standard affair stuff. Got a user's guide. Thank you for choosing MSI products. Something about registration. Graphics card support bracket guide. Oh, this comes with the support bracket. That's interesting. So here's the card itself. Looks like this is the support bracket right here. Let's put that over here. Okay, so let's take it out. Take this off. Okay. Ooh, look at that, guys. That is one beautiful card right there. That's a very beautiful card. All right, so here's the top of the card. Looks like this 3070 takes two 8-pin PCIe connections. We got these 3 fans. Wow, these fans are like tiny. They're not that big compared to your standard fan here. All right, so let's look at the bottom of the card. So we got the bottom right here. It's the PCIe bracket. Got this nice black PCIe bracket. It is a 1-slot design, so it doesn't have a DVI. I really like cards that are 1 row like that. I really don't like ones that are double row and it's got that big DVI or that HDMI right here. Why do we need that, right? That's my opinion, okay? It's better to have one really good monitor than have a bunch of crappy monitors. That's just me though. This side of the card is literally just a heatsink extension to help cool the card. The actual graphics card ends right here. There's no electrical connection after that point. It is just a fan, but no PCB. You can actually kind of see ends right here. Doesn't go anywhere past that, so that's quite interesting. So now we're gonna look at the MSI 3070 Suprim X. Wow, this box is quite heavy. I mean, this is a big box. So this is the front of the box. We got this nice Suprim X logo. It's like in a nice chromatic, kind of like a holographic type sticker thing. Really like that. I really like that stuff. Here's the back of the box, and you can see all the cool stuff on the back. So this box appears to be like a one-piece construction design. As you open it, the top actually opens just like that. We are greeted with, what is this? Oh, it's a mouse pad. Standard mouse pad, nothing too fancy. There's that. So we got our standard MSI envelope here. Probably has like a driver CD or something or some other tech. So what do we got in here? We got a user's quick start guide, registration of the product. Oh, this is cute. It's the MSI Dragon. Oh man, that's so cool. I like that. That's so cute. Because it's like a comic book on how to install a graphics card with the really adorable, cute MSI Dragon. That's pretty cool. I like that. Another booklet here. Looks like it's just advertisements for their other stuff. This comes with a special support bracket, huh? Okay, let's take a look at that. It's probably underneath all of this. Kind of excited about that, because that means it probably comes with one of those metal bar things. And those support bracket things I really like. They look really cool. There's a nice little notch right here, which allows us to just stick our finger in like that and take it out. Okay, so here's our graphics card that we're greeted with. What are these? Oh, these must be the support bars. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Those are really nice looking. They're like solid. I think these are aluminum. They feel like aluminum maybe. They're pretty solid and they look really nice. They look pretty nice. That's what the back looks like. It has that nice rubber there. And it does say Supreme on it. And it looks like this is a screw for adjustment on the bar. That does look really nice. All right, and let's see what's on the inside of this graphics card. Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. Why is it so big? Wow, this thing's heavy. Okay. Take it out. Oh man, wow, look how big this thing is. This thing is huge. This thing's really big. That is really beautiful. Just want to give you guys a showcase of this graphics card. Oh man, that is One beautiful piece of technology right there. So that's the front, that's the top. Looks like it is a dual 8-pin. That is the front of the card. You can see these beautiful fans. Wow, this thing has a huge heatsink. Big, it's really big. It's like probably the biggest card I've ever seen. It's got the nice heatsink there. And again, our PCB ends right here. It doesn't go anywhere past that. That is the end of the PCB right here. So let's look at the back. Man, this thing has a really nice back plate. Brushed metal. It's going in 2 directions. Got this nice cutout here for the airflow. As you can see, we got HDMI and looks like 2 DVI. And this is a solid steel bracket. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's a strong bracket. All right, let's look at the other side. There's nothing too crazy here. Looks like some screw points to like add something if you wanted to. Look at the size difference of these things. They're supposed to be the same tier of GPU as well. They're both 3070s, and you can clearly see this one's much bigger in almost every way. So if I put this on its side, yeah, look at that. Thicker as well. I mean, look at that PCIe bracket. I mean, I'm not making this up, guys. This thing is significantly bigger. This is not a 2-slot card. This is like a 3-slot, and it's even taller. I don't know if this would even fit in a mini ITX case. It's probably too long anyway. Let's find out how much they weigh. We're not giving them away because that would be insane. We're giving them away of their weight. Okay, so the first up is going to be the MSI Ventus 3, 972 grams. So that's for our other friends across the sea. For our friends in America and whatnot, it's 2 pounds, 2.5 ounces. Okay, and as for a comparison, oh, this thing's so heavy. Let's put this on the scale and give this away. So this is 3 pounds, 13.6 ounces. Wow, that's over a pound more, I think. All right, and for our other friends, we got 1 kilogram, 744 grams. This thing is very, very heavy. That's definitely for sure. I want to know if this would fit in certain types of cases. So you guys know, almost 6 centimeters on thickness. Wow, that is just insane. And for our American friends that want to know in inches, this card is 13 inches long, and this card is a little less than 2.5 inches wide, so about 2.25. As for comparison, let's take a look at the MSI Ventus 3. MSI Ventus 3, for our English friends, we're at right around 2 inches, and in centimeters, we're right around 5 centimeters. As for the length, we are at 12 inches or 1 foot, 30.5 centimeters, man. So yeah, these cards are pretty big. They are not small. They're all long, and this one especially is extremely heavy. Man, this is some pretty impressive hardware. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing showcase of these video cards. If you guys liked what you saw here, I'll put some links in the description below. Unfortunately, you probably won't be able to get a hold of these. I am so sorry for that. But if you want to get some graphics cards, I did actually make a video explaining how you can get your graphics cards too. In fact, I explain how I got every single one of these cards right over here that you see right there. I show you exactly in 5 steps of how you can get one for yourself. Thanks for joining me, guys, in this unboxing of these cards, guys. We do have a Discord. It's called Misfit Mining. Come join us there. I am one of the founders. I am TekShinji. There's 3 of us. It's me, TekShinji, Chump Change, and Teaspoon Miner. All 3 of us make up the founders of the Misfit Mining Discord. Come join us there. It is a great Discord. We got a lot of helpful people there, a lot of knowledge in there, a lot of awesome people. Again, this is TekShinji, and we'll see you in the next video.